Welcome to Pathan sir chemistry class. Today we'll discuss topic that is de-Broglie's hypothesis. We'll first discuss nature of light. Now light, as per Einstein, it is dual in nature. Okay. So dual means it is sometimes particle, it is sometimes wave in nature. When it is particle, when it is wave. So when we see its wavelength, frequency, wave number, amplitude, and different optical phenomena like diffraction, then reflection, etc. All these phenomena suggest us the nature of light as a wave. But when you see photoelectric effect and Compton effect, so these two phenomena suggest the nature of light, electromagnetic radiation, as particle. It is sometimes wave, sometimes particle. So Einstein suggested that the light is dual in nature. So picking this point, de-Broglie in his PhD thesis, so he suggested that as the light is dual in nature, so electron is. Okay, so he proposed new concept that electron is also dual in nature. It is sometimes wave, it is sometimes particle. Now we know it is particle because its mass is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. Its charge is 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, this property suggested as a particle, but de-Broglie suggested it as a wave also, and wavelength of that particle is given by equation lambda is equal to h upon mu. The mass into velocity is momentum, so lambda is equal to h by t. This equation is nothing but de-Broglie's hypothesis or de-Broglie's equation. Okay, so let us discuss derivation of lambda is equal to h upon mu. Used Einstein's mass energy relationship as P is equal to mc square. Okay, and Planck's quantum theory that energy of the photon is given by equation E is equal to h, said as equation number 1 and 2. So from equation number 1 and 2 we can write mc square is equal to h nu, or we know that nu is equal to c divided by lambda. Therefore put this value of nu here into this equation. So mc square is equal to hc divided by lambda. C cancelled. It is lambda is equal to h upon e. Now replace this velocity of light by velocity of the particle or velocity of the electron. Then it is lambda is equal to h upon mu, or lambda is equal to h upon e. This is nothing but de-Broglie's hypothesis.